Most AI apps can make presentations. Like, check this one out, made by ChatGPT. Or how about a presentation made by Claude? But now look at the same presentation inside of this app called Gamma. As you can see, the difference is night and day, because some of the main apps make nice presentations, but Gamma actually makes them not just editable, but also pays more attention to detail, and they're consistent over time. You can do branding. So whether you're already using AI to make presentations, or you're spending 3 hours making ugly slides by yourself, how about you spend 3 minutes making beautiful slides with the best software out there for this? Ready to learn? Let's get into it. So this is what it looks like. It's incredibly easy, free to start, and the design looks like you hired an agency or a freelancer to do this for you. Here's the deal. Gamma usually starts with a template, but it doesn't stop there. It creates the images and all the text in the presentation while keeping all of it editable. Just keep in mind, if you're on the free version, you can totally use this, but there's going to be a small made with Gamma tag on each slide. All right, let's get you set up. You'll need the following 3 things. A simple web browser like Google Chrome or Safari, a Google account so you can sign into Gamma, and then a topic to create a presentation around. That's it. I'm not affiliated, I just genuinely like this product, and the link to it is in the description below. Once you land on the dashboard, just click that big Create New button. There you go. This is where the magic happens, and this is where they built a unique product that uses AI to help you with the entire presentation process. If you click Generate, you'll see a box asking what you want to make. Simply type your topic. So in terms of the topic for this presentation, let's go with something that is very relevant these days: how to use AI in our business. And here, obviously, it's helpful to add some information about your business. So I will add a few paragraphs that I have laying around. And as you can see, there are several customization options here above the prompt box. But the most important one is the cards button. For now, we'll do a 5-card presentation as we want to keep this tutorial short, and I'll just hit Generate Outline. So this is where it begins. You get an outline first, and now make sure to edit this outline so that it fits your vision, because this outline is going to turn into slides in a second. Now we'll scroll down below the outline section for the Customize Your Gamma section. Here you have several options like themes, which, yeah, you can set a brand theme and then reuse that one every time. Or you can even pick the AI model that you want to use for image generation and other customization options. For our test, we'll go with detailed in the amount of text, atmosphere for the visual theme, and leave everything else default. Once we're happy with your customization settings, click Generate at the bottom, and it's going to generate your presentation. You'll see it happen in front of you, and after a couple of minutes, it's done. And now you can work on it. You could edit the text, but I'll show you the killer feature here that you need to know about, which is the Edit with AI function, where you can chat and make changes to the presentation. This is like talking to a freelancer and telling him what you want to change, and he just somehow makes it happen. All you need to do is click this agent button at the top with the little sparkle icon. And this way you don't have to manually move text boxes. It kind of just happens. For example, if I say, make this slide more professional, the agent does the heavy lifting for you. Once the AI makes the edits, it previews it for you, and you can make a decision. Do you like it, or go back to the previous version? Once you're ready to share, you just hit share, and you can export this directly to a PDF, PowerPoint, even Google Slides. Super convenient. Now I want to quickly compare this to other presentation makers currently. For example, in Google Slides, they have Gemini integrated, but you can only edit 1 slide at a time. No real competition here right now. ChatGPT was able to create the presentation in a PowerPoint format, but as you can see, it's about as beginner as a presentation gets. And when we tested the same thing within Claude, it did well. But not just that you lack a lot of features like using templates, but also its ability to actually generate visuals that are pretty much done. And the preciseness in editing with the agent are just not there. So as you can see, Gamma is perfect for business pitches, workshops, or school projects, and it's way faster than Canva and much smarter than PowerPoint. Pricing is simple. On the free plan, you can make about 10 presentations, but they're going to be watermarked. And paid plans give you access to everything, including AI image generation. And there you go. That's how you create a professional grade deck in just a few minutes. If you want to check out more AI tools like this, check out the playlist on the screen. My name is Igor, and I hope you have a wonderful day.